A. Apple. A is for apple. An apple is a sweet, juicy fruit that is good for our health. B. Baby. B is for baby. A baby is small, cute, and needs lots of love and care. C. Candy. C is for candy. Candy is colorful and sweet, but we should not eat too much. D. Diamond. D is for diamond. A diamond is shiny and very precious.
E is for elephant. An elephant is a big animal with a long trunk. F is for fairy. A fairy is a magical character from storybooks. G is for glasses. Glasses help us see clearly. H is for hand. We use our hands to hold, write, and play. I is for igloo. An igloo is a house made of snow. J is for jelly. Jelly is soft, sweet, and wobbly. K is for keyboard. A keyboard helps us type on a computer. L is for ladybug. A ladybug is a small red insect with black spots. M is for monkey. A monkey loves to climb trees and eat bananas. N is for nest. A nest is a small home that birds build in trees to keep their eggs safe. O is for orange. An orange is a juicy fruit full of vitamin C. P is for pony. A pony is a small and friendly horse. Q is for queen. A queen rules a kingdom. R is for rainbow. A rainbow has 7 beautiful colors in the sky. S is for spider. A spider makes a web to catch insects. T is for tiger. A tiger is a strong, wild animal with stripes. U is for umbrella. An umbrella keeps us dry in the rain. V is for violin. A violin is a musical instrument that makes soft sounds. W is for whale. A whale is a very big animal that lives in the ocean. X is for xylophone. A xylophone is a musical instrument with colorful bars. Y is for yo-yo. A yo-yo is a fun toy that moves up and down. Z is for zebra. A zebra is an animal with black and white stripes.